Good evening, Professor. Hope you are doing good. My name is Rupa Goli. I am here to explain the project that I have done under your guidance. That was Wellcare Hub Management System, which is for Spring 2025 semester. Just give me 1 minute. I gonna open the project. Yes. When coming to the abstract, the Wellcare Hub management system is built to make life easier for clinics, wellness centers, and healthcare staff. In many places, handling appointments, keeping track of medicines, and managing practice, patient records, and also which is done manually across multiple systems and also which can lead to confusion and delays. The system brings everything together in one place and also it helps doctors, nurses, and staff stay organized by making it easy to book appointments, manage inventory, and access patient information. And also, when they need it, it's simple to use, saves time, and helps reduce mistakes. Overall, Wellcare is designed to improve how healthcare center run behind the scenes so that patients get better, faster, and more reliable care. And also, overall, Wellcare is designed to improve how healthcare centers run behind the scenes so that patients get better, faster, and more reliable care. This is the introduction slide. Managing a clinic or wellness center can get overwhelming with so many moving parts, booking appointments, tracking medicine stock, uh, updating patient records, and making sure even on the team which is in sync. The Wellcare Hub management system, which is designed to bring all of the together in one easy to use platform. It helps cut down on manual work and keeps things more organized behind the scenes by keeping everything, appointments, prescriptions, patient history, and inventory in one place. The system is easy to use, so like staff can pick it up quickly even if they not get with technology. And also it also improves communication between departments, make sure nothing gets missed. As clinics grow and the demand for faster, smarter healthcare increases, Wellcare can easily adapt with features like online consultations and wearable device integration. Most importantly, it creates a smoother experience for patients, fewer delays, less waiting, and better overall care. And also, here in the next slide, we're gonna discuss about the operational scenarios like booking appointments, doctor checking patient history, managing medical medicine stock, billing made easy, faster prescription handling, daily reports for management, handling emergencies, follow-up reminders. So this is the entity and this is the entities and attributes. Like here, I have designed the tables. Uh, I have created 10 tables, which is the patient, doctor table, appointment table, ward table, electronic health record table, department table, staff table, billing and insurance table, pharmacy and inventory table, survey table. I gonna explain the table in the next coming slides. Uh, and and also when this is the entity relationship diagram, where one to many binary relationships like one medicine from pharmacy and inventory can be used in many appointments, and also one patient with patient ID may have one or more bills and insurances, and one patient may have different electronic health record based on different diseases, and one medicine can be used in many surveys that are performed on many patients. While performing one surgery on a patient, many staff can be assisted, and here, one department may have different wards based on different diseases. So, like one doctor may have many appointments with many patients. One department may have different electronic health record based on different diseases, and one patient may have different appointments with different doctors based on the diseases that he or she has, and one patient may consult only one doctor at the same time. and one appointment may associate with one ward at the same time, and one appointment may associated with one surgery at the same time, and one billing and insurance may associate with one surgery at the same time, and one billing and insurance may associate with one ward at the same time. One doctor is associated with one department at the same time. Many electronic health records may be associated with many appointments with the same time, and many doctors may be associated with many staff at the same time. So, like the normalization rules, it is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. And also, it involves breaking down a large table into smaller, more manageable tables, uh, which can be linked together through relationships. Normalization is an essential concept in database design as it is a part of eliminate data redundancy and inconsistencies that may rise from data updates, deletions, or insertions. There are three types. One is the first normalization form, second normalization form, and the third normalization form, where I have created the patient table, doctor table, appointment table, ward table, department table, staff table, billing and insurance table, pharmacy and inventory table, surgery table. Mm, so, like I have created 10 tables in the above relation, all the attributes are atomic, so they satisfy the 1NF. Here, every non-prime attribute is completely dependent on the primary key, so they satisfy the 2NF. And also in the above relation, there is no transitive dependency existing between non-prime attribute and primary key of relation, so it also satisfies 3NF. In the next slide is going to discuss about the SQL queries where I have written the syntax of the table creation. The column parameters specify the names of the columns of the table, and the data type parameters specifies the type of data the column can hold. And the syntax for the record insertion also I have written, and syntax for view records like select star from table name. Here in this patient table, I have created the patient table with first name, last name, gender, address, date of birth, phone number, primary key, where I have inserted all the records in the patient table. And this is the output of the patient table. Uh, and this is the data that I have inserted in the patient table with the name, first name, last name, address, date of birth, and the mobile number. And this is the output of the patient data one. And if I click select star from patient, the whole record will be gonna display as I'm showing now. And in the way we can create and insert records into the other tables involved in the project. So uh, I want to show you the execution. First, first one coming to the documentation, like I have created 10 tables with the ID, first name, last name, gender, address, date of birth, and phone number, where I have inserted 20 records, and this is the output. And the second one, I have created the doctor table where I have inserted all the 20 records data, and this is the output. And in the appointment table, this is the one. When coming to the ward table, I have inserted 20 records. Uh, so like that, I have inserted all the 10 data tables. I want to show you the yes. When coming to the appointment table, like I have created the table where I have insert the all the records. Appointment ID belongs to primary key, and patient ID and doctor ID belongs to foreign key. In the ward table, ward ID becomes the primary key, and the electronic health record table, where ID belongs to primary key and patient ID and doctor ID belongs to uh, foreign key. And also department table, department ID belongs to primary key, and the staff table, the staff ID belongs to primary key, and the billing and insurance table, where billing ID was the primary key and the patient ID was the foreign key. Mm, where the pharmacy and inventory table, where the medicine ID is the primary key, and the last one is the survey table. I have inserted all the records, and uh, where when I gonna execute, like it shows that survey ID belongs to primary key and patient ID, and the survey patient ID and the doctor ID belongs to foreign key. And also I want to This is the table I have created. The table name is the patient table. Uh, Let me execute this one. This is the patient table where I have inserted all 20 records with the first name, last name, gender, address, date of birth, and the phone number. And also I have inserted uh what let me execute this one. Mm, in the same thing. This was I in the same thing like the before, where I have inserted all the 20 records in the ward table. So like this is what I wanna show it to you. And when coming to the future scope of Wellcare Hub management, like telemedicine, wearable device integration, scalability, automated health alerts, insurance integration, enhanced data security, voice assistance, multi-language support, and patient portals. And also, when coming to the conclusion, the Wellcare Hub management system is a game changer for healthcare facilities, making operations smoother, faster, and more efficient by bringing together appointment scheduling, uh, patient records, inventory management, and communication all in one place. Like it feels up time for healthcare professionals to focus on what really matters, providing great care to patients. And with its user-friendly design and ability to scale, the system not only meets the current needs of clinics and wellness centers, but it also ready to grow and adopt with the future of healthcare technology. And in that end, uh, it's all about improving patient experiences and making healthcare management simpler and more reliable. Thank you, Professor, for giving this opportunity.